Hello, Ryan, and a belated welcome to GRA 220. This will be some video feedback for you on your print ad. And if I can help you, we've got 4 weeks to go. Don't hesitate to reach out. I publish my number in the announcements. I bid you strength. Ryan, this is a nice package of things, and I see that you are doing, as requested, keeping screenshots or taking screenshots of your progress. You'll be able to knit these into your final narrative. Then I see that you have your Illustrator file. That, by the way, is Samantha Rommels. Now, okay, here's something to note. As I open up your Illustrator file, it's asking me to find some linked files. Try to know the difference between embedding an image and linking, and I'll show you how that's done. So anyway, I'm just going to ignore these, or actually I can hit replace. And you have included those images, but let me also show you how to, see I have it all in a package file. I have to open that up and retrieve it. It's a bit of a hassle. Let me show you. I'm going to click through ignore here. I want to show you how to place an image. So you have everything else though in order, and I'll take a look at the PDF. So I can see what your original intention is. Let me make some comments about your Illustrator file, though, before I show you how to embed. It's great that you have everything on its own layer. Really nice organization. Makes it very easy to turn things on or off, as necessary, images or what have you. So that's excellent. You understand the idea of layers. Now let me show you about embedding. Now I'm in Illustrator. Off screen here, I'm going to go to, I think it's File, Place. You can see that. And pay attention here because I'm going to fish around for an image. It's going to be, gosh, I hope I can find something quickly here. Okay, again, I'm just going to arbitrarily pick something here. I have a JPEG of this Skype branding that I mentioned in my announcement. It's quite huge. So, interesting. Why is it so large? What is your file size? Anyway, I've placed it here. Let me try that again. So, file. I'm probably repeating myself here too. I just want to point out something. Make sure that when you place a link, or if you want to embed an image, make sure that this is not checked. Make sure that link is unchecked. Ryan, I don't know if you knew this, but I can open your file in Acrobat, Adobe Acrobat, and I will see your images. I don't see the logo here. Now, was that intentional, or is there a layer obscuring it? Anyway, it'll be necessary. All of your other ingredients, though, I like. I like this little seal-like shape and the type. I would try to get the type to sit a little bit more comfortably there. Maybe have it flush left, rag right. Okay, and these. I like your selection of images. It gives me a fairly comprehensive idea of what the resort is about. I am assuming that I'm missing something here in this central space, but you have been able to, put together and color adjust a set of images very well. And I guess the next thing for you to do is perhaps edit them. You'll want some contact information, and be careful about borders like this on printed materials because they get trimmed, and oftentimes it's very difficult to keep an equal border. Plus, part of the page is going to disappear in what's called the gutter of the magazine. You don't necessarily know whether it's going to be a left or a right-hand page, and so some of this is probably going to get obscured. So nothing essential probably should come too close to the edge. All right. Consider bleeding your photographs off the page rather than having borders between them or around them. And good job, though. I think it's a good first step of assembling ingredients. Once you know how to embed, you'll be able to move them around and the file will be self-contained.